Now we do have a performance to show you today. Alyssa, Flynn, Phoebe, Ethan, and Tabatha performing Sweater Weather. Now before we do the performance, hang on. Now before we do the performance, I do have to have an epileptic warning, so if you need to adjust to that, please do now. Thank you very much.
Hello. Hey guys. Alright, so today we're going to be performing Sweater Weather. If any of you were here on the welcome evening, we're just going to be singing it again. I'm Alyssa.
I'm Phoebe.
This is Ethan, our bass. This is Tabatha, and then we've got Flynn. Okay. We hope you enjoy, and if you know the lyrics, please sing along, okay?
And then I watch your face, put my finger on your tongue, cause you love the taste, yeah. These hearts adore, for the other beats the hardest for. Inside this place is warm, outside it starts to pour. Coming down, one love, one house. No shirt, no blouse, just us to find out. Nothing that I wouldn't want to tell you about, no, cause it's too cold for you. Too cold, the hands on my sweater. you.